Hello, my dear students. I welcome you all to my English class. Today we are going to write true or not true for the chapter My Home. So, on the red line, write the chapter's name, My Home. And on the top, you can write revision. Put the date also. Okay. Leave one line. And from the second line, we can write the question. Mark the sentences as true that is, we will put a tick if it is true or not true. We will put a cross mark if it is not true. Okay. And our first sentence is we bathe in the bathroom. Put a bracket after that. There we are going to mark whether it is true or not true. Okay. We will mark it as true as this statement is true. We bathe in the bathroom. Okay. Where do we take bath? In the bathroom itself. So this sentence is true. We are going to put a tick in the bracket. Second sentence is all houses are built with bricks. Put a bracket for the answer. All houses are built with bricks. So this statement we will mark as wrong because this statement is untrue. All houses are built with bricks. Untrue. Why? Because some houses are made of mud, straw and dry grass as well. Okay. So all houses are not only built with bricks. Okay. They are also made up of mud, straw or dry grass. So we mark this statement as not true. Okay. Let's go for the third statement. Third is we play in the kitchen. Okay. We play in the kitchen. We play in the kitchen. We will mark this statement as wrong because we don't play in the kitchen. We should never play in the kitchen. We should always play in a garden or a playground. It will be very dangerous if we play in the kitchen. So we will mark this statement as not true because we should play in the garden or playground. We play in the kitchen, not true. And the fourth one, number 4, we are going to write we sleep in the bedroom. Put a bracket for the answer. We sleep in the bedroom. This statement is true. We sleep in the bedroom. Yes, we do sleep in the bedroom. So we will mark this statement as true. And number 5 is a house keeps us safe from the heat and the cold. Full stop. Give a bracket for the answer. We mark this statement as true. A house keeps us safe from the heat and the cold. Okay, when it is a sunny day and it is very hot outside, then we come to our home as we get protected from the heat outside our house. And in the winter season, when it is very cold outside, then also we feel like sitting at home. We don't go out because of the cold weather. Okay, so a house keeps us safe from the heat and the cold. So this statement is correct. We will mark it as true. Let's go for the next one. I will give you some more sentences. Number 6. My friend lives in my house. Put a bracket for the answer. My friend lives in my house. I mark this statement as not true. As it is written here, my friend lives in my house. No, our friend does not live in our house. Our family. The correct statement should be my family lives in my house. We live in our house with our family and not with our friend. So this statement I mark it as not true. My friend lives in my house. Not true. Let's go for the 7th statement. And the 7th one is number 7. The house we live in is our school. Put a bracket for the answer. So the sentence is, the house we live in is our school. We will mark this statement as not true. The house we live in is our school, not true. Why? Because we study in our school, and where we live in, we call it as our home. Okay, so we live in our home and we study in the school. So this statement given here is not true. The house we live in is our school, not true. Okay, let's go for the next one. Number 8. We eat our meals. Meals is lunch, dinner, breakfast. Okay, we eat our meals in the dining room. Put a bracket for the answer. So this statement, we eat our meals in the dining room, is correct. I mark it as true because we have all the meals in the dining room. Dining room is a place where we keep the dining table, and meals, that is dinner, lunch, all the things we have on our dining table, that is in the dining room. Hence the name is given dining room. Okay, we eat our meals in the dining room. True. Let's take one more sentence. Number 9. A hut is a home in a building. Put a bracket. We'll write the answer there. A hut is a home in a building. This statement I mark as not true because a home in a building is not called as hut. It is called as flat. Okay, the word hut here is wrong because hut is made up of mud, straw and dry grass. It is never in the building. What is there in the building? We call it as flat. Okay, so this statement, a hut is a home in a building, is not true. So we mark it as wrong. That is not true. Okay. Let's take one more sentence, the 10th one. We must keep our homes dirty. Give a bracket for the answer. We must keep our homes dirty. We must keep our homes dirty. I mark this statement as not true because we should always keep our homes clean. We should never keep our home dirty. Okay, so this statement, we must keep our homes dirty, is not true. So this was all for today, children. 10 sentences we have marked true or not true. Okay, so this was all for today. Thank you so much. Let's go through all the sentences once again. Our question was, mark the sentences as true or not true. First one, we bathe in the bathroom. That is true. Second one, all houses are built with bricks. Not true, because some houses are made up of mud and dry grass as well. Third one, we play in the kitchen. Not true, we should always play in the playground or garden. Fourth one, we sleep in the bedroom. That is true. Fifth one, a house keeps us safe from heat and the cold. True. Number 6, my friend lives in my house. This is not true, because we live in our house with our family. Second one, the house we live in is our school. Not true, because in the school we don't live, we go to school for studies. We live in a house, in our home. So this statement is not true. Eighth one, we eat our meals in the dining room. True. Number 9, a hut is a home in a building. Not true, because hut is made up of mud or dry grass, and in a building, a home is called a flat, not a hut. So this statement is not true. Number 10, we must keep our house or homes dirty. Not true, because we should always keep our homes clean. Okay, we must keep our homes dirty. Not true. So this was all for today, children.